Hi, this is Jeanie Shea, your Hoover Realtor, and today I'm going to talk with you about a topic that I seem to repeat time and time again. So there's a misconception among buyers that I run into that if they go to the listing agent who has the sign in the front yard, that it's better for them all around. Well, what they don't understand is the listing agent, the one with the sign in the front yard, always represents the seller. So the best part for buyers is that you can have your own real estate agent represent you and guide you through the process and hold your hand and help you negotiate and work through all those complicated documents. And you know what the best part is? It doesn't cost you anything because the seller always pays the real estate fees. Now let's talk about that, because I've run into buyers that think, well, if I go to that agent who has the house listed, then I can negotiate those seller's fees, right? Wrong. The seller's fees are an agreement between the seller and the listing agent. So it is not in your best interest as a buyer to not have your own agent represent you. So think about it. Once you find a good agent that you like, that you think you work well to get with, that you have a connection with, they're going to walk you through the process and tell you things that you need to think about, things that are important, and think about it. We as realtors have lots of resources because we do this every day. We have names of people that our clients have worked with and they've had a good experience. So that's another reason why you need a buyer's agent just for you. And let's talk about if you're thinking about new construction. So there's a lot of new construction going on in the Hoover area, and there's a great group of agents who work out at the new construction sites. I work with them all the time. They are fabulous. They are on the ball and they know what they're doing. But they represent the builder. They represent the builder. So you're thinking about building a new home, you need a realtor to help you. If you want to have a more in-depth conversation about it, I am happy to talk with you. I'm easy to reach. Jeanie Shea, and my cell phone number is 205-249-0097.